You can't bother with the foolishness. Kalisha, take out the bag, draw the bag out of the box. Yeah. What's up, guys? You don't know, so it's your boy Nathan and people. When you see me alone, when you see the title, when you know which day today is. So guys, you don't know what me I plan to do right now. I'm not going to tell you where me I go give her, but guys, I don't want to look I don't want to look on this video. No way, you see me? Just don't say entertainment purpose, guys, you see me? And just stay tuned, guys, because I just do this for entertainment purpose. Mainly it's a prank, guys, you see me? So make sure you like the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, you see me? And make sure you watch the ads them, guys, you see it? Yes, so just me I got the where are they with Waggy? Yeah man, there man. Basically, what me I gonna do today is a surprise. CECE, she gonna get a surprise for her life, guys. The best Valentine's gift ever. You see me? She gonna remember that gift. Not care how long she live. I gonna remember this and remember say, yo, our boyfriend Nathan gave this to her. So guys, more on to the just like the video, share, comment, leave a comment, guys. We are doing post notification, shout out. So just remember, see the person will comment the most time, get a shout out in our next video. Yeah guys, so just do that for me, yeah. People, right now she in the house. This is just a box, guys. If you can't look, it's a box. Look for it, people. This is something you use and check. Where you check again, your blood pressure. Your blood pressure, yeah. You plug in, yeah, people don't know that, so. Basically at the box there, but I'm not gonna make sure you see at the box there and think I'm not telling no why in the box yet. We're not gonna see why in the box, guys. So just leave a thumbs up for that video, yeah, guys. We're gonna pause the camera and go call her, blindfold her, and let she come outside and take her wonderful gift, guys. See there in a proper, just wrap it up with cool kerchief, people. Yeah, and things, so stay tuned. Yeah. So be how you feel, you see?
I feel so you tell me I.
Look for me. How much finger is?
You tell me cannot see.
Don't look up, look straight. You see? This is somebody out there with a pass. Don't try it now. Alright. Don't look up with no more you feel. How you feel? You don't feel how you feel, how you feel. It's a surprise, you feel like it good or bad.
Bad.
Why? Today a Valentine's Day, baby.
Trust you.
So why you don't trust me? Alright, come. Wow. Step down, Larry's not there. Wow. Oh no, me nah make you buck up. Walk. Walk straight. Me nah make you buck up, me walk straight. Walk straight. Straight. Don't take it off. What you doing? Turn right here, so come. Come. The chair here. Yeah, feel the chair. Sit down. Alright, hold this in your lap. Don't look down on it. Hold it in your lap. So, yes guys. There is CECE and there is her gift and here is me. So, yes, it soon stop feel funny. So CECE, more you feel. I don't want you to take it from over your eye yet. You see me? More you. Alright, get up. One them see what a unfold or a reveal. You know say a whole heap may go through Kalisha and a whole heap will go through for there, so you know say you don't know say the G appreciate you already, so you have to show some appreciation, people.
You know why me have a bad feeling.
Alright, more sometimes the bad feeling turn out good. Sometimes a good feeling turn out bad.
No bother with it there.
Alright, come be. You can pull your box now. Come.
So I'm not scared to sit over me.
No, not yet. Come. You gonna pull your box. Come no be. Pull your box. What? Pull your box, B. Pull your box. Come on, come on. The people they want to see what inside that box. Don't, guys. Remember, guys, 2K thumbs up. Please, me I beg you. Pull your box, B. And the box that itself, where you knock up the box over, you're not going to feel nothing inside that, B. You can't feel up the bag neither. So when you reach to the bag, don't feel it. Pull the box. Come, let me pull the box for you, alright. Come, you have a first candle bag you're going to take out. Come now, B. Take it out. Just feel the bag. See it, yeah? Scandal bag. Take it out.
Yeah, Tana.
Leave the blindfold. It's a surprise. Why you taking it off? Or if you feel like say something bad? Why make you feel like a something bad?
Yeah, tell make sure it's nothing bad in the box.
What's bad for in your box?
Bother with the foolish.
People in your foolish, me I tell you something, I really appreciate you and I love you. And me I try to show you. And you tell me say you can't bother with the foolishness. Kalisha, take out the bag, draw the bag out of the box.
So what
Yeah.
is this?
Alright, move the box now. See that the box there ground and all the bag now. So be more, you take off the blindfold now. Don't feel up the bag.
Thank God, Jesus.
Alright, so be before you pull it, how you feel? Now watch your box, be. I told me have no box to put it in. How you feel?
Well, I don't feel
Looking
too
at the
good.
camera video and tell me.
I don't feel too good and I don't feel too bad.
Alright, so
So
you
I'm
feel
not
like
sure
it's something
what.
good?
Not really.
Feel like it's something bad?
Yes.
So why I can't give you something good?
Me never say you can't give me something good, but me know you be, so me have to be very careful. So
What you know me with? I not give you good things.
I never said that.
Alright people, enough talking right now. Be more, you have to pull the bag. Don't hold the bag like this and pull it. Don't feel up the bag.
Don't feel it.
Don't feel it up, just pull it. People see a boy OJ up on the block. Remember if you go over to him channel, link always in the description. Yeah, pull it. One more bag. One more bag, alright. Hold the camera, baby.
You go tell about me eye?
Yep.
No, Nathan.
Easy yourself now, hold the camera good. It's a surprise because it is Valentine's Day. So the last part now, CECE, don't hold the camera for me. Ari, what's up? What's up, Ari? You alright? You eating your ice cream, Ari? Yes, it's a more you catch it too good and the action. Alright, so then gonna take out the something. Donut, you sit with yourself.
Me not
You
see.
sit with yourself. You sit with yourself. Cover it over your nose. Wait. Yeah. I think me don't know the local party they can sit. So be me I save a long time. And I see that people money to buy them thing here. Here. And know say. And a Valentine's Day be. So me have to get it in a red and white color. You see me? So
You can't take off something over me?
wait.
Larry's there.
She up on the veranda. So now, Kalisha, wait, don't look yet. Move it off your eye. Move the kerchief now. Dry it down. Don't look yet. Don't we are back for? Come nearer. Come nearer now. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Kalisha. You know like the gift? Oh, how the lighter shows someone?
Yeah, something I disrespect, you know. You know, so then something I disrespect. Me not do him that, you know.
Why do it? I don't know how it shows the star. Why do it be? You not appreciate the gift. You not appreciate the gift. Sausage and pound of rice. Red and white beer. Valentine's. People! It's a red tin and sausage, guys. And pound of rice. Everybody know the color of rice, and so it is red and white. Big up yourself for your Valentine's, Kalisa. Yes, you know it go. You know say your boy Nathan out here and Maffy come with the things them rapid and wicked. So where you gonna do now with your rice and so? You don't want your rice, you know?
Larry, if one man there that way that doing.
You want to take the sausage, Larry?
That's why I just said this.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Me go with the sausage.
Harry, we have to tell the fans. Tell them say, subscribe. Tell them subscribe. Tell them say Team Nathan.
No, say no Team Nathan, yeah. Harry Team CC everything.
Team what you say, Harry? Harry, I sell out your uncle. Alright, guys. Just remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.